Hello and welcome back to my channel, all my viewers and subscribers. And in today's video, we're simply going to be going through how I went about turning this messy room into a neater electrical panel room. Also, we'll be going through panel installation, the steps I take to install my panel, install my wires inside of the panel, and the code rules that I maintain while doing it, which is very important. As you know, the code rule is highly regarded as safety when it comes to the homes and everything that we do when it comes to electrical. So maintaining the code rules is very essential for your installation. We'll also be going through the steps I take when it comes to running my pipes for the generator feed. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also like and share the video, and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my notification, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So yeah, so again, so I'll do pick up the screen, and so basically, you know, a lot of people, like I started out, are under the assumption that when it comes to electrical, it's something pretty easy. It can become a headache when cables are not pulled in. All depends on the individual who's doing the work. Um, you know, when it comes to pulling the cable through the finished drywall, I always try to use the bulkhead. However, there's no bulkheads in here. It's all ceiling. The top is all open. Um, so um, so again, I try to find the fastest and easiest way. For me, it's in the inside of the furnace. And what I think I might probably do is just leave that cable up there. Use some. It's called so this cable here. Um, you see this cable here. This cable I might use that inside of the furnace room, just to protect the wires um, a lot better. Um, it is in the furnace room, like I said. Like I said, there's a code um, that does allow you to run these cables out of the drywall, but I don't really want to have those cables running out of the drywall in the ceiling like that. It looks a lot messier. So a lot of times we'll use that cable that you see with the aluminum coated on the outside. We'll use that. To run on the outside walls when we have to. If it's in the furnace room, we use it for the furnace connection also. Um, so it is approved to be run on the outside of the drywall. It's a lot neater. No one notices it. Um, so I might end up using that. And also might end up making one more hole, see if I can push my fist stick across, and if I